Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Supurna and I make content related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be sharing a list of essential items that you should be carrying in your potli during this festive season. So without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, get yourself a beautiful looking big size of potli because this festive season you will be traveling a lot, especially if you are going for any pandal hopping or parties like Navratri, Dandiya parties, or during Diwali to attend Diwali parties from house to house. You should be carrying a beautiful looking big potli in which you can carry a few essentials which will keep you look fresh during the time that you're out, if I'm making sense. So this potli of mine I got from the brand Amira, and this is basically from my wedding reception. Amira has beautiful collection of potlis. This was one of them. I think these kind of colors, like which has like a neutral base and a gold tone to it, will go with almost all your outfits during festive season. So even if I am wearing this particular outfit, this will go perfect with my outfit, right? So this is what I mean. So you don't have to, like, if you want to, if you can, definitely go for like different potlis for different looks and matching with your outfits. But if not, just invest in one or two of these kind of classic potlis which will go great with all your outfits. Now moving on to the essential items. First thing first, you should carry your trusty compact whenever you're stepping out, because we live in India and in most of the places it's really hot and humid sometimes. So you carry a good compact, and most of the compacts come with a mirror and also a puff, so you can just take it and fix your makeup or touch up your makeup, and you'll be good to go. And the same mirror can be used to even touch up your lip product. Speaking of lip product, now this I think we always do, even if we're stepping out like anytime during the year. So we always carry our lipstick, so make sure you don't forget that. Carry your lipstick in your potli whenever you're stepping out. And if you are applying gloss, make sure you carry it too, because we will be eating a lot of things, right, during our festive seasons. So make sure you carry both of your lip products, your lipstick and your lip gloss if you're wearing. Now one more very important thing that we don't realize that we need it until we try it: blotting papers or like portable tissue papers, because as I mentioned, it's hot and humid out there in most of the places in India. So just to take the sweat off, you just take your blotting paper and you see the oil. It will just take your oil off of your face and your face will be oil free again. Trust me, these will not move your makeup unless like you're rubbing it. Just put it, dab and take it off. That's it. And I find it very satisfying using blotting paper to take the excess oil off my face. Now, if you're stepping out during the day, make sure to carry your sunscreen spray to reapply your sunscreen. It's very, very, very important. You can carry this particular one, which is from Sundays 52. I am in love with this because it has a very fine mist to start with, and the fragrance, I love it. It has a very subtle, not subtle, like a genuine amount of, but a good one, not like strong one, a very beautiful rose fragrance to it. It is because it has rose water in it, so it really hydrates your face as well. It also acts as a pick me up kind of spray, so you don't have to carry a different setting spray to uh, get the glow back to your face. You can just have this. This will act as your sunscreen reapplication and also as a glow boosting spray during the day or at night. Whenever you feel tired, you can just spritz it all over your face and you will be glowing. Next, bindi. You will have to carry a bindi if you're wearing one, because sometimes what happens, our bindi falls, or it might just you can just unknowingly rub it off. So make sure you carry your bindi. slip your bindi packet or bindi page in your potli, so that if in case your bindi falls off, you can just put another one. Because I feel bindi is something that completes any kind of Indian traditional or Indian ethnic look. So what do we have next in my potli? Carry a mini perfume in your potli, because it's very, very, very important to smell good. It uplifts your mood and as well as the people around you. So make sure you carry your perfume, but a small portable one. Don't carry your big 50 or like 100 ml perfume in your bag. It will be too heavy and too big for you to carry. Just get a small, like this kind of mini perfume to put it in your potli. So whenever you feel like, you can just put it and you will be smelling amazing. Now, two very important things that you should be carrying, especially if you're wearing a sari during this festive season. First one is safety pins. Very important to carry in your potli, because this is what is gonna protect your sari and it will make sure that your sari is in place. So don't forget to carry your safety pins in your potli. Next, your bobby pins or any kind of clips for your hair, especially if you're doing like a different kind of hairdo, or like bun and putting flowers around like I have done. Subtle way I'm showing off my bun today. And I've also put this jasmine gajra. I love this. It smells good and also looks good. So yeah, make sure you carry a few bobby pins as well in your potli. Maybe you can make like a small pouch, like a small potli in which you can keep your bobby pins and safety pins, like a small potli, and you can just keep it inside so that it's not all like scattered inside your potli. It's all properly kept so that you can just, look inside your potli and take it out and use it. And if you want, you can also carry your blush that you would be using for that particular look. Because sometimes what happens, if you leave, like, early in the morning getting dressed up until night, uh, your blush can definitely like go off and get faded, which we do not want. We want our blush to be blushing throughout the day and night. So you can also carry your blush and the brush, the applicator that you have used to apply your blush, be it your powder blush, or if you want your liquid blush as well, you can just, refresh it. You can just reapply and make sure your blush is blushing again. If I'm leaving early during the day and I'm supposed to be out till night, I sometimes, if I have space in my bag, I sometimes tend to carry my blush as well, because it gets faded. So I tend to do that. Not an essential, but if you want, you can do that. So that's pretty much what I will be carrying in my potli, and maybe you should too. Let me know in the comment section below if you can think of any other things, or if you have any other suggestions that we can follow and we can keep inside our potlis as an festive essentials. So that's it for today. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please do like, share and comment below. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.